Cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Cellular respiration, process by which organisms combine oxygen with foodstuff molecules, diverting the chemical energy in these substances into life-sustaining activities and discarding as waste products such as carbon dioxide and water. Things that do not require oxygen degrade things by fragmentation. In the picture below, it demonstrates the process of cellular respiration and all the molecules that go through it. Photosynthesis, the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create the oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. They turn light energy into chemical energy. And I used a picture that simply shows the process of photosynthesis and how it works all together. Is cellular respiration catabolic or anabolic? Cellular respiration is considered a catabolic process. Glucose is broken down to release the unused energy for a cell. Cellular respiration releases energy which then can be used and harnessed by other parts in the cell. It is able to break down complex biomolecular substances. And in the picture I used below, we would be looking at the bottom where it's slightly like pinkish red, because it's a catabolic. And so, large molecules are broken down into small ones and energy is released. As you could see, there starts with 4 all together, and then the arrow shows how they break up and separate with energy. Is photosynthesis catabolic or anabolic? Photosynthesis is an anabolic process where plants use the energy from the sunlight to convert it into carbon dioxide gas and turn the water into sugar. And I used the picture. It gives a brief description on why it's anabolic and shows the molecule formula that goes into it. How do cellular respiration and photosynthesis work together? Photosynthesis creates the glucose that is used by cellular respiration to make ATP, which is our energy. Glucose is then turned back into carbon dioxide, which is used by photosynthesis. Water is broken down to form oxygen during photosynthesis, which the cellular respiration uses the oxygen to combine with the hydrogens to form water. And I used another picture of a cell that shows both processes, photosynthesis and cellular, and how they connect and go within these cells, converting from light energy to chemical energy, going from the chloroplast to the mitochondria. Can photosynthesis or cellular respiration happen without each other? Photosynthesis and cellular respiration really depend on each other. Cellular respiration cannot occur without photosynthesis. With no photosynthesis, there would be no glucose or oxygen, glucose is sugar, created for the cellular respiration process to occur. Photosynthesis, without cellular respiration, the plants would use all that carbon dioxide and starve to death. Photosynthesis requires all the products that come from cellular respiration. Those two processes highly feed off each other, and the only way that cellular respiration can happen without photosynthesis is it continues the process, which it doesn't need the glucose or oxygen. Then it's considered anabolic respiration. These are my sources that I use. Thank you so much.